Are you ready to nail it this Valentine's Day? No, seriously, I mean literally nail it. With your nails. Stick around till the end, and I'll reveal a secret tip to make your Valentine's nails last longer than most people's resolutions. The classic red love. Alright, my Valentine's vanguards, let's kick things off with a timeless classic, the classic red love. Now, I know what you're thinking. Red? For Valentine's Day? Groundbreaking. But hold on to your heart-shaped chocolates, because we're about to add a twist that even Cupid couldn't have dreamed of. First things first, let's pick our warrior in this love battle, the perfect shade of red. You could go with a deep wine red that says, "I'm mysterious and sophisticated," or a bright cherry red that screams, "I'm fun and ready for love." Or hey, why not both? It's Valentine's Day. The more, the merrier. Once you've picked your red, it's time to get painting. But here's where we add our Cupid-approved twist. Once your base red is down and dry, take a thin brush or a dotting tool and let's get artsy. Draw tiny little hearts, or if you're feeling daring, write a love message across your nails. Be mine, XOXO, or my personal favorite, send chocolate. Remember, the aim here is not perfection, but personality. So if your heart looks more like a blob, just say it's a symbol of your overflowing love. See, there's always a romantic spin to it. And voila, you have the classic red love with a twist that even Valentine's Day veterans will envy. You're not just wearing red nails. You're wearing your heart on your, well, nails. Glittery affair. Glitter nails are like the life of the party, but on your fingertips. To start this shimmery journey, choose your base color. It can be a soft pink, a daring purple, or even a neutral tone. Think of it as the quiet background music before the party really starts. Once your base is set and looking fabulous, it's time to bring on the main event, glitter. Now you could just slap on a coat of glitter polish and call it a day, but where's the fun in that? Let's turn it up a notch with a glitter gradient. Start at the tip of your nails, applying a generous amount of glitter. As you move towards the middle, reduce the amount to create a fading effect. It's like your nails are throwing a party, and the glitter is the confetti slowly drifting down. And if a few specks of glitter end up on your face, or your cat, or your neighbor, embrace it. It's all part of the glitter experience. Heartbeat design. Last but not least, let's talk about a design that's close to our hearts. Literally. Introducing the heartbeat design. A nail art idea that's not only chic, but also sweetly symbolic. It's like wearing a love song on your fingertips, except you don't have to worry about it being off-key. For this heart-throbbing look, start with a neutral base. Think soft pinks, beiges, or even a clear coat for the minimalist lovers out there. This design is all about subtlety, making it perfect for those who like their Valentine's Day vibes low-key but lovely. Once your base is as smooth as a love ballad, it's time to draw the heartbeat. Using a thin brush or a nail pen, draw a small EKG heartbeat line on one or two accent nails. If you're feeling extra romantic, add a tiny heart at one point on the line. It's like saying, "My heart skips a beat for you," but without actually having to say it because, let's face it, that might be a bit too cheesy even for Valentine's Day. For those with a steady hand and a daring heart, why not try a heart shape? It can be a simple outline or a filled-in heart, as bold or as subtle as you like. Just remember, it's the thought that counts. So if your heart looks more like a wonky potato, just think of it as a unique expression of your unique love. Secret tip. You've stuck with me through reds, glitters, and heartbeats. Now, as promised, it's time for the grand reveal, the secret tip to make your Valentine's nails last longer than a celebrity marriage. Just kidding. We're aiming for at least a week or two. Here it is, the big secret, the power of a good top coat. Yes, it sounds simple, but a high-quality top coat can be the difference between your nail art surviving a dramatic rom-com marathon or chipping at the mere sight of a popcorn bowl. Apply a top coat over your nail art, and for an extra layer of protection, reapply it every couple of days. It's like a love shield for your nails. And there you have it, folks. 3 adorable, cute nail ideas to make your Valentine's Day a bit more special and a whole lot more stylish. Whether you're dressing up for a big date, hanging out with friends, or just loving yourself this Valentine's, remember, the best accessory is your smile, but killer nails don't hurt either. Now go forth, my Valentine warriors, and flaunt those fabulous nails. And if you do try out these designs, don't forget to share your gorgeous creations with us. We'd love to see how you brought these ideas to life. Until next time, keep spreading love and nail polish.